So if you've got one of these Ford Mavericks, trim doesn't matter, and you want to dampen the tailgate drop, it's a pretty simple mod. You can find these kits on Amazon. The brand doesn't matter. They all pretty much do the same thing and they install the same way. But I've installed one of these kits on just about every truck I've owned, and they are really nice to have. Let's get started. So I paid about, I want to say $25 or so after tax for this. And what they are is they just come with this little shock, the 2 mounting brackets that you're going to need, a couple pieces of hardware, and that's pretty much it. They're super easy to install. And a lot of them will come with some sort of instructions. But as I said, no matter what the brand, it doesn't matter. This Amazon stuff, these people will sell stuff like this under a whole bunch of different brand names, but it'll be the same exact model. They'll just put their own branding on it. So if yours is a different brand, it doesn't matter. It'll be very similar, if not the exact same way to do it as this one. So all you're going to need, from what I can tell, is just a 5mm Allen head adapter. So it looks like the first thing they want you to do is just unhook your cable here. And I've got the T50 socket here, so we're just gonna undo this. So looks like we're just installing this just like that. You can see where it's got this indentation here. Pretty much only made to go on one way. There we go. Put the cable back on the bolt, just like that. And you'll see here, this is where this is going to be installed through. So we've got this piece that needs to go on, and you'll see that it basically just goes on like this. So all we do here is just take the plate, throw that bolt through, then we have this piece which goes on the other side, and all you do is just thread that on just like so, and you're gonna have to stick this on through. I've got it so it's going up and down, so I'm just going to get this on by hand. Finger tight first. I'll use my other ratchet to install it. So for this, installing the shock, you want to put the ram piece. You want to install that first, just like that. All we have to do now is just basically move the tailgate up, position it in place so we can get the ram installed. Works as advertised. Got one more step. I have to remove the bottle opener because it's going to get in the way of the ram. Let's try it. Closes okay. Opens perfectly. So I'm happy with how that came out. Not too bad. Stay tuned for more videos.